August 2025 wasn't just another month in tech, it was a shockwave. From billion-dollar deals to breakthroughs that sound like science fiction, what happened this month is already reshaping industries. And trust me, by the end, you'll hear about one open-source release that could change everything. Let's dive in. Google's Nano Banana AI Editor. Imagine fixing a photo so quickly it feels instant, and the edit looks real. That's what Google dropped on August 26th. Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, nicknamed Nano Banana. This tool edits images at lightning speed while keeping characters consistent, something AI usually fails at. And every picture comes with Google's invisible watermark, SynthID. TechRadar says it's 6 times faster than ChatGPT's generator, but the Washington Post warns the line between real and fake images just got dangerously thin. OpenAI's GPT-5. Just weeks earlier, August 7th, OpenAI launched GPT-5. It's smarter, faster, and moodier. A new dynamic router lets it decide whether to give you a quick answer or a slower, deeper one. It's multimodal too. Text, images, voice, all in one place. Performance? About 40% better than GPT-4 on coding and logic. But here's the twist. Users complained. Glitches, stricter message caps, and some even say it feels less creative. OpenAI had to roll back old models because the backlash was that strong. DeepMind Genie 3. Now picture this. You type in a city street at night, and instead of an image, you step into it. That's Genie 3, revealed August 5th. It creates fully interactive environments at 24 frames per second directly from text. For education, training, or prototyping, it's like skipping the game engine and just walking straight into your imagination. Analysts call it the next step toward accessible simulations. Stanford's virtual scientists. August also saw Stanford Medicine unleash a team of AI scientists, not assistants, scientists. Within days, these agents generated 92 new COVID-19 drug candidates. 2 already show promise. The kicker? They collaborate, hypothesize, run tests, all without waiting for human prompts. This could shrink research timelines from years to weeks. But here's the ethical storm. How far do we let autonomous AI go in medicine where lives are on the line? Paramount's UFC Power Play. August 11th, Paramount signed a $7.7 billion 7-year deal for UFC streaming rights. Starting 2026, every fight night will be on Paramount Plus, with select bouts on CBS. Pay-per-view? Dead. Dana White called it a turning point, and analysts say it's as big as the NFL's streaming deals. Sports is officially shifting. Streaming is the new octagon. Ford's $2 billion EV bet. Same day, Ford dropped $2 billion to retool its Kentucky plant for a new mid-size EV pickup. Target price? Around $30,000. Jobs created? 2,200. The kicker? It's a direct counter to China's rising EV market. Ford is saying loud and clear, we're not just playing defense anymore. Texas AI helicopters. August 1st, Texas A&M announced a $59.8 million DARPA-backed project, turning Black Hawk helicopters into AI-powered pilotless machines. They'll fight wildfires, carry supplies, and run surveillance without risking human lives. Over the next few years, Texans could look up and see the future of emergency response flying overhead. Would you trust a helicopter with no pilot? Revel's pivot to charging. Ride-sharing out. Charging in. On August 11th, Revel shut down its ride-hailing business to focus 100% on EV charging hubs. NYC, San Francisco, and soon dozens more cities. It's their second pivot since 2018, but this one makes sense. EV adoption is rising, and charging is the bottleneck. Revel is betting its future not on moving people, but on powering cars. South Korea's AI budget boost. Mid-August, South Korea bumped its AI funding by 8%, the biggest jump in 4 years. It's a clear signal. They want to compete with the US and China, and they're backing their chip makers and startups to get there. It's not as huge as the US or EU investments, but the intent is crystal clear. South Korea is not staying on the sidelines of the AI race. Microsoft's AI Windows Update. Your PC just got smarter. Microsoft's August update for Windows 11 embeds Copilot directly into the operating system. Now you can recover your system, tweak settings, or troubleshoot by just asking. It even suggests shortcuts based on your activity. Small step? Maybe. But when the world's most used desktop OS makes AI the default way you interact, that's a massive shift. Google's $9 billion data center build. In Oklahoma, Google confirmed a $9 billion investment into AI-ready data centers, optimized for massive training workloads, powered by renewables, and creating thousands of jobs. This is one of Google's biggest state-level tech plays ever. The message is simple. In the AI arms race, infrastructure is the battlefield. Reliance Intelligence. India joins the race. On August 29th, Mukesh Ambani unveiled Reliance Intelligence, backed by Google and Meta. The goal? Make India a global AI leader in healthcare, education, and finance. Analysts call it one of the biggest corporate-led AI pushes in Asia. India isn't just catching up, it's stepping in as a serious player. OpenAI's Chip Escape Plan. Late August, reports confirmed OpenAI struck a deal with Broadcom to mass-produce its own AI chips by 2026. No more total dependence on NVIDIA. It's one of the boldest hardware moves of the year and could reshape the entire AI chip war. Meta plus Google, $10 billion partnership. Yes, rivals teaming up. Meta and Google signed a $10 billion cloud infrastructure deal. Why? AI training is brutally expensive. So instead of going solo, they're pooling resources. This isn't just cooperation, it's survival in the age of trillion-parameter models. DeepCog V2, the open-source giant. The month's biggest bombshell dropped between July 31st and August 1st. DeepCog V2, 4 new reasoning models from 70B up to 671B parameters. They're efficient, intuitive, and open source. Researchers say it's a direct counterweight to closed systems like GPT-5. Cheaper, smarter, open. This could democratize advanced reasoning AI. Think about that. The most powerful reasoning tools may now be free to the world. So, from AI helicopters to billion-dollar cloud partnerships, August 2025 proved innovation isn't slowing down, it's accelerating. But here's the real question. Which of these would you want in your daily life? An AI that edits your photos in seconds, or one that creates whole new worlds to explore?